After posting solid gains in January, a key measure of competition among Bitcoin miners has stagnated in the past 2 weeks as the coronavirus outbreak disrupts economic activity in China. The slowdown in the growth of so-called mining difficulty signals that miners have had to pause upgrading equipment after the epidemic prompted Chinese authorities to impose a quarantine and major mining equipment makers delayed production and shipments. Mining difficulty, which gauges the effort required to solve math problems in order to win newly created Bitcoin, adjusted on February 11 to a level 0.52% higher than 14 days earlier, data shows. That's a significant drop from the growth rates of 4.67 and 7.08% recorded on January 28 and 14, respectively. Bitcoin is designed for the difficulty to adjust roughly every 2 weeks, depending on the amount of computing power connected to the network. When more miners join the race to earn newly created Bitcoin, the difficulty rises. When miners drop out, the measure eases. The first halving of Bitcoin mining rewards occurred in 2012. Before the slowdown, miners were bracing for a new reality. Their industry was about to become fundamentally less profitable. In May, mining rewards are expected to be cut in half, to around 6.25 Bitcoin dollar at current prices, per block, every 10 minutes or so. This would be the third so-called halving in Bitcoin's history and could result in operating costs exceeding revenues at miners. And the second in 2016, many miners have been phasing out older mining machines and buying new and more powerful models as we get closer to the halving, said Jason Wu, the co-founder and CEO of crypto lending startup Definer. For example, mining farm tenants have started to replace old machines such as BitMineS and Miner SNS since the second half of 2019, Wu said. The outbreak may have delayed the transition and contributed to the slow growth in mining difficulty, Wu said. Running older models, miners now keep running the remaining old machines since a high Bitcoin price at the moment, above $, since the weekend, keeps such operations profitable, while waiting for new models to be delivered, according to Wu. Aside from the availability of new equipment, the virus has affected some miners in a more direct way. While most mining farms remain open during the Chinese New Year, there have been incidents where mining farms are shut by local governments due to the outbreak, said Aries Wang, co-founder and CEO of crypto exchange Buybox. One mining farm owned by mining pool BX. Jop's CEO Zhuo Jian was shut down by the local government in an unnamed area in China, Jian said on February 4 via the social media network Weibo. Many miners have been phasing out older mining machines and buying new and more powerful models as we get closer to the halving, says one industry watcher. But miners had to pause upgrading this month. Among the largest crypto exchanges to come out of China, Buybox, now based in Estonia, has invested several $1 million in the mining industry, according to Wang. Many investors such as crypto funds and exchanges expect the halving would increase Bitcoin price and they're putting their money in mining, Wang said. These investors would buy new machines as well as slots and maintenance services from a mining farm, where they can operate the machines. Arms race respite situation has given incumbent miners a respite from ever-fiercening competition. The slow growth in mining difficulty is good news for existing miners, said Abe Yang, chief operating officer at PandaMiner, a Shenzhen-based manufacturer and operator of mining farms. Mining is like an arms race. The slow growth in general mining difficulty means these miners are likely to get higher returns from there. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.